Welcome back to Unlocking Spacetime. Today, in the Universe Sandbox, we are running a terrifying what-if experiment. What happens if Earth's orbit suddenly shrinks by 10%? We are pulling our planet from its comfortable 1 AU distance down to just 0.9 AU. That's roughly 135 million kilometers from the Sun instead of 150 million. Let's find out exactly how quickly our blue marble turns into a furnace. Alright, starting completely from scratch. I hit new simulation, empty space, nothing but the void. First thing I do is add the Sun right in the center. Our massive glowing star all by itself for now. Sun is locked in place. Now let's bring in Earth, but not where it belongs. Let's place it roughly at 0.9 AU, which is a 10% decrease of its current distance of 1 AU. Earth is now 10% closer to the Sun. Everything looks peaceful at first. Let's hit play. And let's slowly ramp up the simulation speed. We will go from 1x to 10x and 100x even faster. Time is about to fly. Right away, you can see Earth is whipping around the Sun much quicker. Thanks to Kepler's third law, our year just shortened from 365 days down to about 312 days. One orbit now takes less than 11 months. But the real show is the heat. At 0.9 AU, Earth is now receiving 23.5% more solar energy. Sunlight intensity scales with 1 over distance squared. Watch the temperature readout. Global average surface temperature is already climbing fast. From our normal comfy 15 degrees Celsius, it's shooting toward 45 degrees Celsius and beyond. Look at that! The polar ice caps are melting in fast forward. No more white reflective surfaces to bounce sunlight back into space. The oceans are starting to evaporate like crazy, pumping huge amounts of water vapor into the atmosphere. That water vapor is a powerful greenhouse gas, trapping even more heat. We are watching a runaway greenhouse effect kick in right before our eyes. Fast forward a little bit more, and the situation turns apocalyptic. Deserts swallow entire continents. Vegetation dies off. Surface temperatures in the tropics are regularly hitting 55 to 60 degrees. The oceans are shrinking, turning the once blue planet into a hazy, steaming world. Rivers are gone. Life as we know it is basically over. At mere 10% closer orbit, and our perfect habitable home becomes a Venus-like nightmare. This simulation shows just how razor-thin the Goldilocks zone really is. One small change in distance and everything changes. So what do you think? Should we try moving Earth farther away next time and watch it freeze? Drop your ideas in the comments. And if this video didn't make you sweat harder than our freshly baked Earth, smash that like button before your thumbs melt and subscribe so we can keep roasting planets together in the next simulation. Stay curious, and I will catch you later.